This is Eagle News Mornings from Canada. I'm Thomas I. Likeness. 18 minutes past 7 o'clock. 27 degrees under cloudy skies in Metro Manila this Monday morning. Well, the pandemic has taken a toll on the mental health of many. In Ontario, the provincial government stepping up with money to address this issue. Eagle News correspondent Ashley Sackmar reports.
Ontario is investing an additional $14.75 million to increase access to mental health services and new research projects. This funding aims to help families, young children, frontline workers, and Indigenous communities who are struggling during these difficult times. Premier Doug Ford gives details of this ongoing initiative.
This investment also includes specialized services for Indigenous communities focused on supporting our Indigenous youth and children. Again, if you need to talk to someone at any time, please, and don't hesitate, please reach out.
In addition, there is also an investment of $2.9 million of research funding that aims to support Ontario's response to COVID-19. Here is Associate Minister of Mental Health and Addictions, Michael Tabolo, with more details.
These groundbreaking research projects will help save lives not just in Ontario, but around the world. We recognize the long road to recovery that lies ahead for all of us. As the COVID-19 pandemic evolves, we will also evolve our approach and support for those in need.
Greg Rickford, Minister of Indigenous Affairs, also announces $4.75 million in support of culturally safe services for Indigenous communities.
I'm also pleased that up to $4.75 million of this funding is earmarked to support specialized and culturally responsive services for Indigenous communities, with $750,000 dedicated to supporting Indigenous youth and children.
These research projects focus on a wide range of services, such as supporting the mental health and well-being of families and children, assessing the long-term effects of COVID-19, developing an app for frontline healthcare workers and patient care, and evaluating the efficiency of masks to prevent the spread of the virus. Premier Ford emphasizes the importance of mental health for all communities.
Whether you work in a hospital in downtown Toronto or a long-term care home in Sudbury or live in a fly-in community in the far north, I want all Ontarians to know that your mental health is as important as your physical health.
COVID-19 cases are slowly climbing back up in Ontario. Thus, any help is welcome to make sure Ontarians are kept protected physically and mentally. In Toronto, Ashley Sackmar, Eagle News, we live in interesting times.